Hello everyone, my name is Rona and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be bringing you this simple back to school makeup look. Since summer is coming to an end, I'm starting to see a lot of YouTubers doing their version of back to school makeup and I feel very inspired. So I thought, why not give a try? I think this look is so easy and natural that help to enhance a lot of our facial features while covering other imperfections. If you want to know how I created this look, just keep on watching and let's get started. Starting with a moisturized face, I'm going to prime my face with the Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer. For foundation, I'm using the Hourglass Vanish Seamless Foundation Stick. I think it is so easy to use, especially when you want to save some time in the morning, and the formula is great too. I'm just going to blend it out using a damp sponge. Next, I'm covering my imperfections with the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer and I'm blending it out with the sponge as well. For blush, I will be using a cream blush for this look. This little blush right here is from a Japanese drugstore brand called Canmake, and I'm just going to apply it with my fingers. You will see that I forgot to set my face after doing all this face makeup. It was a mistake, but do not panic. I promise I will get back to it later in the video. Next, for brows, I'm using this Shiseido eyebrow pencil. Since my natural brows are already pretty filled, I'm only focusing on the ends. I find the color of this brow pencil to be a little light for me, so with a flat angle brush, I'm going to even out the color by using the shade Triple Fudge from the Too Faced Chocolate Bar eyeshadow palette. Moving on to the eyes, I have already primed my eyelids with some concealer, so first I'm setting my eyelids with the shade White Chocolate from the same palette by using a flat brush. I'm setting a transition shade with a fluffy brush using the shade Salted Caramel from the same palette. Next, using this small Canmake Perfect Stylist Eyes palette, I'm taking this sparkly golden brown shade with my finger and I'm applying it directly all over the lid. Using the small flat end brush that comes in with this palette, I'm taking this dark brown shade to create a thick line above my upper lash line and I'm extending it all the way to the end like drawing an eyeliner. Going back with the Too Faced Chocolate Bar palette, I'm taking the shade Semi-Sweet to deepen the outer third of my eyelid with the same fluffy brush that we used to create the transition shade. Because I find my eyes not sparkly enough, I went back with the golden brown shade from the Canmake palette to add more of this color on my lid, and I'm adding it across my lower lash line as well. Using the small flat brush, I'm adding the same dark brown color onto the corners of my lower lash line. Taking the brow pencil, I'm actually going to use it as an eyeliner to create a wing in the outer corner of my lids. Lastly, for the eyes, I'm taking this sparkly white shimmering shade from the Canmake palette with my finger. I'm applying it on top of the center of my eyelid and across the lower lash line. Then here is me emphasizing some more on that outer corner. Now we are finally setting our face. I'm using this Canmake Marshmallow finish powder. Next, I'm curling my lashes and adding on some Dolly Wink Volume Mascara. Moving on to contour, first I'm going to contour my nose and chin areas using the shade Milk Chocolate from the Too Faced Chocolate Bar palette. I'm going to do my face contour and highlight using the Urban Decay Naked Flushed palette. Lastly, for lips, I'm using the Canmake Stay-On Balm rouge. Since this product is like a lip balm, it is very moisturizing and it has UV protection as well, which is a plus. To wrap everything up, I'm setting the whole look with the Body Shop Vitamin C Energizing Face Mist, and that's all for this look. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next one.